Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and it's a doozy. Look at PIXY, guys. And this is a good example. People with their AI, they get a little hung up sometimes saying, well, I get an alert and maybe it's already moved 5 cents or 10 cents or, obviously PIXY, you wouldn't want to move it 10 cents before you get in because of the price. But people get a little bit hung up on all of that. But I just have to show you this. There was the entry. Look at the time at 10:18, 268. This is now up 22%. The last trade is is at 328. At one point, though, remember it was up to 362. What I'm really trying to illustrate here, though, is that here is the candle. This is on a 15-minute chart. Here's the candle where you had the alert at 268. Look how long you had to. You could have watched that one for a while. There's 45 minutes or so before it finally took off. So plenty of time to see how it was trading, to see if you really wanted to get into the trade. And then look what happened. It just absolutely exploded. I saw this in the pre-market. It did have some news, something to do with SPACs and all that. But it doesn't really matter. This was an incredible explosion of volume right here. And it took it all the way up to 362. If I'd been, you're in this one even around this 270 mark, of course you've got to take some profit. The AI, in fact, look at this. This is another reason why we always say manage the exits on your own. Look where the AI got out. Got out at 268. The entry was 268. It exited at 268. Why? It did that because it didn't like the way it was trading. It had the alert and it just didn't seem to want to move. So the AI said, you know what? I'm going to get out where I got it, and got out. What I think was 30 minutes later. 10:18, 10:34, so about 16 minutes later it got out of the trade just because it didn't like the way it was trading. That's why, if you're in the trading room, I'm always saying use this like a watch list, okay? The fact that the AI got out of this doesn't mean you had to, and you could have kept watching it. Even if you didn't, you took a look here and it popped and you didn't want to get in here. But look at this. This was tremendous, 294. Even if you got in here at the top, 294, it got all the way up to 362. So tremendous percentage move, and that definitely is the trade of the day from the AI. So I'm going to shut this down. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. The link for the free room, I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.